All right. The 78th District Court is now on record, file number 21730-SM. The people of the state of Michigan versus Christopher Lee Miles Jr. You're Mr. Miles Jr., is that correct?
Yes, sir.
My name's John Morse. I'm the magistrate here in Newaygo County. I'm located in White Cloud, Michigan. You're calling in via Zoom. You had a plea agreement worked out with the prosecutor. You're going to plead guilty as charged to one count of dog running at large. There's going to be no jail time, and there's only fines and costs to be assessed. Is that the agreement that you worked out with the prosecuting attorney?
Yes, sir.
As into one count of dog running at large, how do you wish to plead?
Guilty.
You understand by pleading guilty here today, you're not going to have a trial, and you're waiving your rights on your advice of rights form.
Yes.
The court will draw your attention back to February 28th, 2021, near Green and 64th Street in the township of Sheridan, County of Newaygo. At that time, place and location, did you have a dog running at large?
Yes.
The court will accept your guilty plea. Is there anything you'd like to say on your own behalf prior to sentencing?
I have worked upon getting him situated, and I have listened to the dog pound officer Carr, and he told me to get a wireless fence for the Zeus, and I have done that. And that's all I really pretty much have to say. He's had no runoffs within that time.
All right. Well, that's good. This problem won't occur again. The court will impose the following sentence. Fines and costs are going to total $250, and I'll grant you 90 days to pay the balance in full.
Okay.
Any questions before I go?
No.
Have a good day.
You as well.
Thank you. Good morning. What's your name?
Corey Hansen.
Miss Hansen, you called in. Perfect. All right. Court's on record with 3 files today. File number 21732-ST. File number 21709-SI. And file numbers 21733-ST. The people of the state of Michigan versus Corey Joe Hansen. You're Miss Hansen, is that correct?
Yes.
Miss Hansen, you worked out a plea agreement with the prosecuting attorney. The registration plate expired over 3 days, a civil infraction. That will be dismissed. The operating a motor vehicle without a valid operator's license, that case will be dismissed. And you're going to plead guilty to one count of violation of restricted license conditions. Is that your understanding?
Yes.
As into one count of operating a motor vehicle in violation of your restricted license conditions, how do you wish to plead?
Excuse me, that's
Yep. How do you wish to plead on
guilty.
your okay, guilty. Do you understand by okay?
Yes.
Do you understand by pleading guilty? Yep. You understand by pleading guilty you will not have a trial here today, and you're waiving your rights on your advice of rights form.
Correct.
The court will draw your attention back to March 7th, 2021, at near Main and Connie in the city of Fremont, County of Newaygo. At that time, place, and location were you operating a motor vehicle in violation of your restricted license conditions?
Yes, I was.
The court will accept your guilty plea. Is there anything you'd like to say on your own behalf prior to sentencing?
No.
The court's going to impose the following sentence. Fines and costs are going to total $250, and the court will grant you 90 days to pay that balance in full. Any questions before I go?
No, except do I need to go to them, or can I do that online? Do you know?
You can do that online. You can call the clerk and make the payment over the phone with a credit card.
Okay. All right. Perfect.
Have a good day. Thank you.
Okay.
Bye.